I bet you didn't know a Spanish chicken farmer almost single-handedly saved D-Day. He wasn't a soldier, he wasn't even British. But he had guts, plus a seriously good typewriter. In the early 1940s, Nazi spies were everywhere, lurking in the shadows. But the Allies had a secret weapon, Juan Pujol Garcia, better known as Agent Garbo. Here's the wild part. Nobody recruited him. He volunteered as a double agent. First, he tricked the Nazis into hiring him. Then he marched straight to British intelligence and said, "Hey, want some fake news?" The Brits were in. So Garbo invented an entire network of 27 imaginary spies. That's right, 27. He sent report after report, typed out with flair and totally made up. His biggest act? Convincing Hitler that the D-Day landings would happen somewhere else. The Nazis bought it. They moved troops, leaving Normandy wide open for the real invasion. One chicken farmer, one typewriter, and a mountain of lies. And that's how Agent Garbo changed the course of history.